In just 15 minutes, experience the rejuvenating power of the phoenix, emerging renewed and energized. In a comfortable position, either lying down or seated, with your back and head fully supported, allow your body to settle and your breath to naturally deepen. Begin to close your eyes or soften your gaze and focus on a neutral point. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. Set your intention for this practice. You might use, "I am energized and renewed." Silently repeat your intention 3 times, feeling its resonance within you. Now bring your attention to your breath. Observe its natural rhythm, noticing the flow of air moving in and out without trying to change it. Deepen into relaxation and calm your mind. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Begin to scan your body. Soften your forehead, letting go of any tension around your eyes and temples. Relax your jaw, allowing your teeth to part slightly. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Feel your chest rise and fall with your breath. Relax your hands, your belly, your hips. Let your legs feel heavy, your feet completely supported. With each breath, sink deeper into relaxation. Now, imagine a warm golden light at the base of your spine. This is the essence of the phoenix, a symbol of renewal and transformation. Take a deep inhale, and as you do, visualize this golden light growing brighter and beginning to move up your spine. Feel it radiating through your body, spreading light and vitality to every cell. As you exhale, imagine any tension or fatigue dissolving, like ashes carried away on the wind. The phoenix light pulses with your breath, revitalizing and renewing. Take another deep inhale and visualize the golden light continuing to rise up your spine, growing brighter and more intense with each breath. Feel it illuminating every part of your being. As you exhale, let go of any remaining stress or negativity. Allow the phoenix energy to burn away any limitations, leaving you feeling pure, renewed, and full of potential. We'll now move our awareness through different parts of the body. As I name each part, feel the phoenix energy flowing into it, awakening and renewing. Right toes, right foot, right ankle, right calf, right knee, right thigh, right hip, whole right leg, left toes, left foot, left ankle, left calf, left knee, left thigh, left hip, whole left leg, pelvic area, lower back, middle back, upper back, abdomen, chest, shoulders, whole torso, right fingers, right hand, right wrist, right forearm, right elbow, right upper arm, right shoulder, whole right arm, left fingers, left hand, left wrist, left forearm, left elbow, left upper arm, left shoulder, whole left arm, neck, throat, jaw, mouth, nose, cheeks, ears, eyes, forehead, scalp, whole head. Now feel the phoenix energy coursing through your entire body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Let's explore opposites. Feel heaviness in your body, as if you're sinking into the earth. Now, feel lightness, as if you could float away. Feel warmth spreading through your body, like the phoenix golden glow. Now feel a refreshing coolness, like a gentle breeze. Feel the tension in your body, then let it melt away into relaxation. Visualize yourself in a place of renewal. Perhaps you're standing on a mountaintop, watching the sunrise. Feel the fresh, cool air on your skin, the scent of pine trees, and the texture of the ground beneath your feet. As the sun rises, imagine its rays taking the form of a majestic phoenix. Its golden feathers shimmer with vitality, and as it spreads its wings, you feel a surge of renewal coursing through your body. Like the phoenix, you are reborn with the new day, shedding old limitations and embracing your inner strength. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the air moving in and out. Recall your intention. I am energized and renewed. Feel the truth of these words in every cell of your body. Reinforce your intention with positive affirmations. Silently or out loud, repeat to yourself, I am strong. I am resilient. I am renewed. I invite you to take a moment to explore your inner landscape. Notice any emotions or memories that arise, observing them with compassion and without judgment. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath and your affirmations. Before we conclude, take a moment to reflect on how this practice has affected you. Notice any shifts in your energy, your mood, or your physical sensations. Slowly begin to awaken your body. If you've been lying down, roll to one side. Take a few breaths here. When you're ready, sit up at your own pace. If you've been sitting, simply deepen your breath and start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Keep your eyes closed or open them, and take as much time as you need. Find a position where your back feels supported. Take a few deeper breaths. Gently stretch or roll your shoulders to further transition from this practice. When you're ready, softly flutter your eyes open or widen your gaze, adjusting to your surroundings. To ground yourself, notice 3 things you can see, 2 things you can hear, and one thing you can touch. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Remember, like the phoenix, you have the power to renew yourself. Carry this energy with you, knowing you can return to this practice whenever you need to refreshen and revitalize. This concludes our Yoga Nidra practice. Thank you for joining me at Beacon Ranch Studio. I hope this energizing Yoga Nidra has helped you find renewed energy and clarity. Please like and subscribe to support our mission. And until next time, be well, stay inspired, and rise like the phoenix. Peace.